new move, man.
I see.
Yeah, that bitch cheesy.
We gotta get back to live and that shit. Oh, hold up, do that move again. Do it one more time.
Look at this.
It's a heavy momentum. It's a heavy fucking momentum to a cross.
To the Baja, bitch.
Yeah, it's
no, it's not. No, it's not. I'll teach you how to do it. Oh, did I just find a new move? Hey, get the fuck out the way!
Hey, bro, what's
9-14.
Come on. You got him beat every time.
Hey, yo, right there.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and record, man. It's in my stream, but whatever. So, I came across a move that's very glitchy. You know what I'm saying? Nobody can say they put me on. I just been in this bitch labbing. I found the move. It's Saturday. It's Saturday, October 29th. I figured out this move and how to like really glitch it. Well, not glitch it, but I figured out how to spam it. But yeah, 2 days ago, I figured out how to spam this move. Add it to my ISO bag, you know what I'm saying? Because it's very glitchy, you know what I'm saying? And I'm still labbing it, but I'm gonna go ahead and expose it. I don't know what I want to call it because I haven't seen nobody like really putting it in a bag, and you feel me? Like it's so simple to do, but it's so like unexpected, like because nobody really has seen the move, and you can do so much outside of the jumper. Like the combo, putting it into your bag, the combo is crazy. So this is the move. Simply put, that's the move. Like you might think I'm just snatching back like that. Like this is how you regularly snatch back right there. Now you do have to have a certain dribble style on or SIG on to do it. But to add this move into your bag, bro, this move is tough. Like, and you can spam it with no adrenaline. With no adrenaline bars, with adrenaline, with no stamina. You can see I'm doing it with no stamina. Like, you can just do this shit and spam niggas. Like, I was doing this shit today in the stream. I was doing it the other stream yesterday when I dropped 41 in the rec. Going crazy, and I was shooting. I got a new jump shot too, so we going crazy with the jump shot too. New jumper, you know what I'm saying? We greening, we shooting off the fucking combo itself, bro. The combo go crazy. Like the move is so unexpected, and you can explode out of it. You feel me? And we about to make this new build with Hall of Fame quick first step. The fucking move about to go cool. You feel me? Like I don't know, bro. The move crazy. I don't know what I want to call it though, cause you got the Asta slide, you got the Chattamar step back shit, or whatever the niggas is calling it. So this about to be my move right here, bro. Like, can't nobody say put me on to the animation. Can't nobody say they, you know what I'm saying, put me on to the shit. Like I just been in this bitch labbing. I ain't ready to reveal it yet, cause just seeing people doing it, it's like niggas didn't know what to do with me. So it's just like I'm not ready to have to guard it. You know what I'm saying? Niggas can figure it out. It's not hard, but it's like the animations. You really gonna have to go through animations and figure which one out. That's the move. I don't know what I want to call it. The Flurry snatch or some shit. I don't know. Shit. I need a name for it. Feel me? That shit is hard. Like even Dre wanted it. You know what I'm saying? I got a new move, man.
I see.
Yeah, that bitch cheesy. Look. Golly. You alright, so I ain't ready to give up this move yet, nigga. I want niggas in 2K community. I want niggas in the community to give me my fucking credit, nigga, cause that move fucking cheese, and I want my shit. Niggas gonna give me credit, nigga.
I ain't seen that shit.
I ain't seen no nigga do this shit like how I'm doing it. Give me that board.
Nigga, mute your mic and date me, bitch.
Look at it. This shit hard. Look at the space.
I'm just thinking about the spin back.
Look at the space. Niggas don't know what to do with nigga. That shit is hard, nigga. Like it's simple but effective, and if you can spam it right, you get the timing down. You know what I'm saying? Add it to your bag, add it to your ISO game. Like niggas, like it's just another move to add to the bag. Like this is it, man. This is the move. I've been holding on to since Thursday. And if niggas want the jump shot, man, I'll release the jump shot too. But you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to set a light goal for the video. I like the bag I got for my 6'9", and like I said, once I get that Hall of Fame quick first step, Hall of Fame unpluckable, we going crazy, man. Like this shit is, it's tough. Like I can't nobody say that shit ain't tough, bro. Like, and if you pulling from back there, niggas raps. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy, man. I need a certain light goal for me to actually like do a tutorial or something like that, man. Cause the move is tough. Ain't nobody tell me that shit ain't tough, bro. Like, I'm gonna throw some clips here, and y'all just gonna have to see like how effective this shit is. Just how like it stuns folk, and like if you got Agent 3's on, it counts as a snatchback. Like the badge will pop up every time you snatch back and shoot off of it. So yeah, definitely a move worth adding to the bag. We out.